Guys, good afternoon and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Thanks for tuning in and watching. And behind the camera is Michael. And this is my little kitchen, as everybody knows. And Teddy's right there. Hi, Ted.
Ginger.
And and these are my babies that I love more than anybody. They come first, and then my husband, and then the kids.
That's right.
But my dogs are my love. I love them to death. And you know why, guys? Because they don't talk back to me.
That's right.
And it doesn't matter what I do or don't do, they're always happy to see me.
That's right.
Always wiggling their tail and wanting to sit right next to me. So today we're going to make buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings.
It's just like wings. We're going to fry them. The only thing that I put here, you can see that there, I didn't use that. All I used was salt and some black pepper. Okay, fresh black pepper. I cracked it, as you can see. And now Michael move because this is very hot.
All right.
I'm going to put them in here.
Zoom in.
And then when they're nice and crispy, we're going to take them out. I'm going to put them over there.
In that bowl. Season them up with this sauce.
I'm going to put them over there. Okay, and then we're going to put some of that sauce. Oh, crap. 4, 5.
Be careful, be careful. Don't try this at home if you're not a professional chef or a cook. You do not want to burn yourself.
7. And now, ouch.
Oh.
Very hot.
You okay? She
1, 2,
okay?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's right.
And 9.
All right.
So you're going to have 9 wings.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
9's a good number.
10 wings. I'm going to give you mine.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
Michael.
All
Those
right.
other ones, these, I'm going to fry them for me. And just eat them like that.
That's
I don't
right.
like that buffalo wing and none of that stuff, but Michael likes that.
That's right.
So what I'm going to do now, guys, whoa, I almost burned myself.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
And then we're going to come back when they're like ready to go out. And I'm going to put them over there. And then we're going to put this buffalo wing sauce. And that's buffalo wings. That's how you make it. It's very easy. It doesn't take a genius to make these.
Nope.
So just regular wings. That pack of wing cost me, look, I burned myself a little bit there. See it? See right there?
Little burn, little burn.
Yeah, right there, right there. Well, anyways, so it doesn't take a genius to make your wings. Like I said, I put salt and cracked pepper. That's all. Cooking them in vegetable oil.
Yes.
The oil has to be very hot, but I lower a little bit because I want them to cook thoroughly.
That's right.
You know, and
you don't want them to dry
exactly,
out.
and I want them
But you
to
want them
dry
to
out,
have juice.
But I want them to cook. I don't like no wings with blood inside, none of that.
No blood, no blood.
I have ordered wings, and they have brought into me soggy or with blood inside, or they don't taste good. Not everybody knows how to cook, let me tell you. So you're better off staying home. They charge you a lot of money. They give you an attitude. You don't know they're spitting on your food.
That's right.
Restaurants, if they don't like you and you say something dumb,
they go at you.
In the fact that I used to work in a restaurant in a kitchen, and I used to see a lot of cooks spitting in the oil because a customer would have pissed them off. And I think nobody should be doing that.
That's right.
With that, I'm gonna let you guys go. But before I go, I want you guys to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook.
That's right.
Look us up on Pinterest, on Google Plus, on
Patreon.
On Patreon.
Tumblr.
On Tumblr.
Everything.
Everywhere.
Everywhere,
you know what I'm saying?
everywhere.
A little bit of faith everywhere. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. And when we come back, we'll be taking these out, seasoning them, and putting them there so you guys know how to do it too. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to come right back. Hey guys, so we're back. The wings, I'm going to be taking them out. They're almost done, but I had to put my chef jacket, my cook jacket on.
Chef.
Because if the oil spills, I kind of like, not burn, but that's from the pan, but I had to put a little bit of oil, kind of like, you see the red line there?
Yeah.
You know, but I hate getting burned all the time. So we're taking these out right now. So
Take them out, take them out.
Excuse me, Michael.
Is there a proper way to take these out?
I'm going to put them right up here.
Oh,
They can grip a little bit. You know, before I put them in the pan, right? See the oil?
Oh, yeah.
I want to do that. 3, 4, okay? See where I'm going? 5, you hold them tight and squeeze with your the tongues. These are tongues. I have on my, be careful, Michael.
Be careful, be careful.
One more. And then I'm gonna push this to the back because I want that
That's
to
right.
pull up for a little bit. And while that push back, I'm gonna wipe this. And here we go. Here are the wings, right?
That's right.
But I didn't heat up the sauce, Michael, a little bit.
Oh, you don't have to heat up the sauce.
I like to heating it up because it's better. You know, you don't want to put cold sauce on hot wings. Do I make sense or not?
Yes.
Ooh, and I know you like a lot. So
Yes.
it's just going to be like 10 seconds here in the microwave. Oh, you guys have pizza here? Well, my house is always a lot of food. Look, pizza.
That's Junior's.
Yeah. We got all that stuff going on. So I put 30 seconds, just gonna be 20 seconds. And then I'm gonna put him there for Mike. He likes that, right, Michael?
That's right.
Michael, and then I'm gonna fry them for me. I'm not gonna show that. But then later on, I'm gonna make some short ribs
Oh yeah.
for me. I wanna show you guys. These are my short ribs. It's just a little bit of them. It cost me like $3 and some. And these are the spices that I'm gonna be putting in my short ribs.
We will be recording
I'm
that.
gonna make them in sauce, yes. Okay, so here
Who
we
doesn't
are.
love short ribs? But who doesn't
Here we
love
are,
buffalo
guys.
wings?
So this is what you do. So then you gotta get a deep bowl like this.
And put them in.
Put the wings in there.
in.
And then after you put them in,
Yes.
you put the sauce on top.
Nice and hot. Well, Mama knows best.
And then after you put the sauce,
Looks good.
you wanna do this.
Toss 'em
Okay,
up,
you
toss
wanna do
'em
it so
up.
hard because you don't want
Now,
your ribs.
just be warned,
But
guys.
you wanna toss them around like this in the bowl.
Buffalo sauce is hotter.
You know,
than
and
hot
that's
sauce.
buffalo sauce. It's not hot sauce, it's buffalo
hotter.
sauce. So that's why they
In
put
my
the
opinion.
buffalo wings. And then you take this.
Oh,
You can see the smoke coming out. Show everybody. And then we're gonna put it in this plate like that. Okay?
Ooh.
And we're gonna put them like that together.
Oh, look at all that extra sauce.
Of course, Mike.
That's right.
And then let me just get a rag to wipe that. And voila, here are your buffalo wings. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook. Look us up on Pinterest, on Google Plus,
That's right.
Patreon. You can Google down to the link. Just scroll down and go to Patreon. And if you want, that will take you to our page. You can donate $1 from $1 to whatever you guys want. Or you don't have to donate. I'll still be making recipes like this because I like to feed people. It feels good and more when you're home. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. You know what to do. Don't drink and drive. Let's love each other.
That's right.
And let's have unity because the world's very separated right now. There's so much hate that is disgusting. It disgusts me. But with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching us. And I hope you guys have a good day. And I'll probably see you later with another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. So enjoy your wings. Go ahead, Michael. Take a picture of that.
All right.